In this affiliate marketing tutorial, I will show you how to make money with WarriorPlus using free tools. And as you can see here on the screen, these are my earnings for the last 30 days on WarriorPlus. Let me just refresh the page for you. So my affiliate strategy to make money on WarriorPlus is pretty simple, and it has 3 key points that I will be going through in a little bit in this short tutorial. But before that, and if this is the first time we meet, my name is Amar, and I'd be glad if you subscribe to the channel, and also it will be very appreciated if you like the video and leave me a comment or a question below. So the 3 key points are: number 1, how I use WarriorPlus to find good converting offers to promote, and then number 2 is how to get approved by vendors even if you are a beginner, then how to drive targeted traffic to the offers so you can make sales and commissions. And this is one of the most important steps that you want to consider. I mean, all of these points are very important when you choose offers that are proven to make good sales with a very low refund rate and high conversion rate. You know that these products are selling and the customers are liking the product. This is why they are not asking for refunds. The second thing is that you need to have a strategy how to approach the vendors on WarriorPlus to get approved by them, even if you are a beginner. And the last thing is, of course, traffic, which is the most important thing. If you don't have traffic, you have nothing. I mean, depending on your experience, you can use one specific way to drive traffic to your offers, or you can mix multiple strategies and see which one is working the best for you. So the first way I like to find good converting offers is by going to the affiliate menu on top here, click on the offers, and then you will see pages upon pages of affiliate offers that you can choose to promote. And you need to take a look at this column here called conversion rate and this one here called refund rate. So the conversion rate, the higher the better, and the refund rate, the lower the better. Like this one, for example, has a conversion rate of 10%, which is good. They sold already 2,000 copies and they have only 1% refund rate, and I'm already approved for these. And this one as well, they have 13% conversion rate and 2% refund rate. And you can see that this one has 33% conversion rate, which is great, but they have a 6% refund rate, which is not very high actually, and I might consider promoting this offer after I see the sales page, what they are offering, and compare it to my audience needs. So you always need to consider your subscribers or your audience, what they need, what they are looking for, how you can help them, what are the right products to present to them, so they will be satisfied and they will buy from you again and again. The second way that you can find high converting offers is by going to the menu that says Marketplace, and then you click on Top Products, and they will show you the top products for today, for yesterday, for the last 7 days, and for the last 30 days. I like to choose the last 7 days to see exactly what offers are selling well in the last week, and then you can click on any offer here and choose to promote it. Now let's go back to the affiliate menu, click on offers, and find an offer that we will be promoting. And I already found an offer that is suitable for my audience, and the offer itself is this one here called Site Ranker Pro number 2. Released 2 days ago. They sold 1,000 copies, conversion rate 19%, which is good, and refund rate just 1%. So let's click on it and see the details of this offer. So on this page here you will see all the details about the offer. You can contact the vendor here. You can see the JV page where it explains the funnel for you, gives you some tools to promote the offer, and of course you can see the sales page by clicking on this button here. So this is the sales page, and I already went through the sales page. I listened to this video, and they know what they are doing. Really, they will help you rank your websites on search engines, and this is a very good thing if you want to get organic targeted traffic. So if I go completely to the bottom of the sales page, you will see the names of the creators or the owners of this offer, and Neil is the guy who we're talking in the video. So if I go back to this page, I have this button here where I can request approval to promote this offer. And as I told you in the beginning, this is a very important step because you need to have a specific way to ask for approval. And actually, this is what I prepared for you. This is exactly the kind of messages I send to the owners. I say, "Hi Neil, this is another great offer from you guys. I'd like to promote it to my 1,000 subscribers email list." You need, to give them some numbers, right? And on my blogs receiving around 500 visits a day, and I might also give it a banner ad campaign because we are not really sure if you are going to purchase advertising to promote this offer, but I say might because I don't know yet. So if I make some sales in the beginning, I might go ahead and purchase some advertising. If not, I will not purchase advertising. So all you have to do is write something like this, and of course, thank you in advance, regards, my name Omar, and then contact information. If they want to contact me for more information, all they have to do is visit my website and contact me there. So I'm going to copy this message here or this request here, and then click on this button here called request approval, and then paste it there. And then I will just click request approval for this offer, and then click here. And right now the request is pending. When the vendor sees my request, he will take a look, and then if he approves me, I will find my affiliate link right here and I can start promoting this offer. You'll be able to make this kind of commissions here, like between $14.50 and $90, depending on the products that are in the funnel. You can click here to see exactly what's on the funnel, and you have like 50% commission all the way, and 4 products to rank your websites on the search engines. Once you get approved, come back to the sales page or the sales letter, and then grab some key points or some headlines or some keywords that you will be using on your blog to drive traffic to this offer. So you can grab a few things here, and also what you can do, you can visit the JV page by clicking on this button here. You will go to the JV page, and here you can get your link, download email swipes, and also you can check the sales page. Sometimes you find on the JV page lots of promotional materials that will help you promote the offer in question. And now that we have chosen the offer and got our affiliate link, time now to drive traffic to that offer in order to make sales and commissions. And to be honest with you, I like to generate organic traffic, and that's when people find you on search engines like Google and YouTube. But before I continue, please remember to like this video if you like it, and also subscribe to the channel if you are new to it. It will be very appreciated. So as I told you, what I do is I create blogs, and then I try to rank them on the search engines. Like for example, this website here, it has a blog section where I write blogs and I promote my affiliate offers inside of the blogs. For example, here you can find links everywhere in the blog, and you can also find banners on the sidebar. I have this blog here. If I click here, there are lots of blog posts that I can use to promote affiliate links. I have this one as well. I use the power of search engine optimization, WordPress plus a plugin, free plugin that is called Yoast SEO makes a great job when it comes to ranking ranking blog posts on the search engines. I have also multiple other blogs. All of them are in the make money online niche, and they send me a good amount of visitors every day. But if you are a beginner and you want to create blogs completely for free, there is a way actually where you can create blogs just like this one, with blog posts, with pages, with a great design, 100% for free. I'm going to share with you this tool, which is a fantastic tool for people who are doing affiliate marketing. This will cost you $0. And this tool here, System.io, will allow you to create your blogs, and they have also search engine optimization options, so you'll be able not only to create gorgeous blog posts, but also you will be able to rank them in the search engines. Let me just give you a quick overview. So this is the header of the blog, this is the template of the blog, and from here it is the content of your blog, and there is a footer section of the blog. Everything that you see on this blog is customizable. There is nothing that you cannot customize or change. There are blog posts here, some pages, like for example this is a contact page, email marketing page, free traffic page. There is a banner here that you can customize as well. So how do I do to create such a blog completely for free? Now, if you go to the description below this video, you will find my affiliate link for System.io, which, by the way, you can use to make commissions if people upgrade on this system. And I'm not going to talk about creating free funnel, creating free email list. I talked about that in my previous video. So if you're interested in building a free email list and a free funnel, please go ahead, register for this system and watch those videos to see exactly how you do that. But I'm interested in the blogs section. So if I click here, I have created the blog that we were just checking out. This is the name of the blog, and these are the controls. You can go to the settings, you can duplicate, you can open it on a new page. And if I want to create a new blog, I just click here, create a blog, and I will create it. But let me open the blog I already showed you. I click on it, and this is what I see. So blog posts, I have two of them, this one and this one. Blog pages, I have a few, and then there is a categories where I have a few as well. Every time you want to add a category, you click here and you add the category. And every time you want to add a new page, you click on this button, create a blog page. And every time you want to add a blog post, you click on create here, blog posts, and then you create a new blog post. But before that, you want to actually change a little bit the blog layout, which are the header and the footer. So if you click here, you will be brought to the builder where you can change anything you want here. So for example, if I click on this banner, here I can change the image, and here I can change the link where it takes people or my visitors, and usually this is an affiliate banner. So after you customize the layout, header and footer, you just save the changes and click on this button to get out of the builder. And then you want, for example, to edit some pages. Let's go to pages and go, for example, to the home page. All you have to do is click on this button here that says edit to edit the home page, and right away the builder will open up, and here you can change anything you want on this page. The builder is very easy to use. You can add elements like text or headline. Let's, for example, add a text. Just drag and drop, and where you see the blue line, that's where you will put the new object, and then you can click inside and type whatever you want. If you want, for example, to add something else like a headline or a picture, you can add columns. For example, you want to put 4 pictures or 4 texts here. You can add this, you can add images, you can add videos, etc. So you can customize the home page or any page on your blog. You can add also some blogs, like same thing. If you want to add a page footer, you choose which footer you want. Let's say, for example, you were working on a local project. You just click on this one and then of course drag it and drop it at the bottom of your page. So this builder is very easy to use. Now the most important thing, let me leave the builder here, and I want to show you the most important thing in this tool, which is the blog posts. So let's say, for example, this is a blog post. I can use the controls here. These blog posts are active. I can make them inactive if I click on this X here. But what I want to do is click on this gear for the settings, and actually here you can give it a title, you can give it a short description, and you can choose the categories of this blog post. And also, if I click on the edit button here for the blog post, you will see that I have a settings button here. So here you can change the content of your blog. And by the way, this is the guy that created this system, and it's offering us a good package for free. So let me talk to you about the optimization of a blog post. So once you finish the content on your blog post, you come to settings here, and here is where you set up the SEO or search engine optimization options. Here you can put an optimized title where you include the main keyword, description where you of course include the keywords as well. You can put the keywords here and separate them by a comma, the author, social image, the image that will show up if someone shares the page on Facebook or any other social media platform. You can even add codes, like for example, if you want to use a Facebook Pixel or Google Analytics, you can add code to the header or add code to the footer. So this section here is very important if you want to rank your blog posts for the search engines and receive free organic targeted traffic. So remember, my affiliate link is below this video. You can register, and if you need any help, please watch my previous videos about System.io, and also you can ask me questions below this video. So the more blog posts you publish, the more visitors you will get, and of course eventually you can make money with WarriorPlus. Thank you very much for making it so far in the video, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.